Stop. Stop. Stop everything. This is my point today. We're so focused on our cell phones, it's killing us. It's unattractive, it's painful, and I'll mention you should lift your phone to lift your life, and you could do that, and it deserves your attention. And I'm going to wait till I have everybody's attention before I get started this morning.
What are you doing?
Have I got your attention? Have I got your attention?
What are you doing? That's my phone. I can't believe you just did
I
that.
may have just saved his neck.
No, you didn't save me. I had important things on that phone. This is supposed to be a safe place for all of us. I can't believe
Let
this.
him go.
Oh, Dr. V.
I may have just saved his neck. I'll tell you why today. Since 2005, we've all adopted the cell phone, and we spend 4 hours a day on this. We touch it from 100 to 200 times on the average. And the biggest proponent, Steve Jobs, said it was his career goal to put a dent in the universe. That's what Steve Jobs wanted to do. And he did. He put it right here in our necks. There's a kink in our necks. It's documented. You can see it on x-ray. Everyone's neck is like this now. And it's choking off your supply of life and energy that's supposed to roar through you from cell phone use. It affects the neck. Can you see how ugly this is? The mid-back, the lower back. There's a whole generation of people that are stuck like this. And I'll mention, you could raise your phone and lift your level of health. Just that easy. That's all I'm asking you to do. And I might meet some violent resistance. I'm okay with that because it's urgent that we do. And COVID made things worse. How many people had a nice ergonomic setup at work, and then they went home. They went home to work, show of hands, working from home, and now you're using your bed as a desk, and your necks and your spines are more kinked up than ever. I have a patient who beat the odds. She's a Miss Colorado contestant. And I'll change your life in just 60 seconds or less. All I taught her to do was this, like this. Suddenly, she's making cash registers ring. She's become a model. She's become a spokesperson for a major charity. She is in Hollywood, just like, doesn't that look more attractive? This looks dorky. Are you with me? Take your cell phones out right now. Let's do an experiment. Do this. If you're at home watching this video, extend your head forward. Put your arms out like you're probably on a cell phone right now. Crank your neck, pull it out, pull it out. Put your arms in front of you, put your arms in front of you. Let's exaggerate the posture. Are your hands going numb yet? Is your neck starting to hurt yet? Do you have a headache? Stop. Take a deep breath. You could dig your elbows. Everyone do this with me now. Dig your elbows into the table. Raise yourself. Just that easy. Lift your phone. Lift your screens. And lift your level of life and health. Just that easy.
Dr. V, I am pissed off.
Or you again.
Yeah, me again. This is yours. I saw you come in with this. And this was... Oh! Yeah! How do you like it when people grab your stuff?
That wasn't mine. That wasn't mine. We may have sacrificed a little equipment. Hopefully I've made my point this morning. You could look better. You could feel better. But not by doing this. There's documented clinical case studies that show that people who do this require more drugs, more surgeries, more hospital visits, nursing homes, and it's all so easy. You could prop it up with some books, blocks at home, yourself, your screens. You could lift them up, change your posture for the better. You tell the world how to treat you through your posture. This is essential. You're all influencers. You're all out there in the public eye. This is absolutely essential. And it's just so easy to do. Lift your screens and lift your life. And then there's an amazing, powerful computer, more powerful than any computer on the planet. And it's right here. It weighs, go ahead, lift this thing if you can. Lift it out with one hand. It weighs 10 to 12 pounds. Is it hard to do?
Yeah.
And that's the kind of stress, thank you, that we put on the spine and nervous system daily. Lift your phone, lift your screens, lift your life. Get the dent out of your universe. And then magic will happen. You have a brain here, the most powerful computer on the planet, and it'll rush energy over little nerves if your spine's freed up from above down and from the inside up to enliven and heal you so that you reach your full, abundant measure of life and health. And share these tools with others. If you share it with someone else, then you'll own it. Teach someone else this technique. If you share that with someone, maybe someone who's struggling, maybe an adolescent, maybe someone at work, share if you care, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with something powerful and positive for you and yours.